Kieran Lewis sgipo'r bel allan tuag at Margetson. I mewn mae'n dod at Elliot Richards. Ergyd gan Richards, oddi ar y trawst. O dyna chi ergyd gan Elliot Richards. Ariel wedi giro yn y gôl. Ond i hangfa i'r Fflint. Anthony Stevens sydd wedi chwitio hon tuag at y canol. Gwaith da gan Ratcliffe yn y gôl. O Brandon Diaw tu ôl iddo fo. Yn disgwyl cael ei ben arni. Ond Ratcliffe gweld honna dros y bar. Elliot Richards. Joe Evans, am groesiad, tuag at Danny Williams. Williams dros y traws, croesiad hyfryd gan Joe Evans, ond na'r agosad da ni wedi dod hyd yn hyn yn yr ail hanner. Stevens sydd i chymryd ti tuag at Gonal Isa Rhwyd, dyna chi arbediad, ag eto gan George Ratcliffe. Gwaith rhagorol gan y golwr, a draws ei gol yn sydyn. Oedd y gic rydd yn mynd tuag at Gonal Isa Rhwyd. Ond gwaith da gan George Ratcliffe yn y gol. Anthony Stevens i chwipio hon tuag at y canol. Ac mae disgyn i Harrison ar y postyn pella. Ac am arbediad gan George Ratcliffe yn y gol i Pontypridd.
Oh, George, nothing was getting past you there today. Talk us through your saves.
Not quite. It's a free kick. Went for the wall, not really happy with the boys about that, but when it goes for the wall, you just got to make the save, and that's what I tried to do. And then the rebound, I kind of guessed a bit, but I gathered it. And then the header was just, I got myself into the right position. It happened to go straight at me, so I just had to make the reaction and just tip it over the bar.
I think a point's a fair result for both teams. I thought we both looked a little bit powder puff up front today. Great battle in between the both boxes. Obviously they've hit the crossbar twice from us playing a high line, and could have gone in, and obviously the keeper's made a world-class save at the end for Danny Harrison, which would have been 2-2. But on reflection, I think it was two teams who were in form, two teams who didn't want to lose. Not many chances created winning the game. Sort of huffed and puffed, I think, both teams. So yeah.
Yeah, listen, there's always positives with, one, we've taken a point again. It's sort of, I think that's 5 now, undefeated, and more importantly for us is another clean sheet. And it's a tough place to come as well. So yeah, there are positives from the game. I thought the first half we played really well, we had some good chances. But like I said, overall I think a fair result's a draw.